In this video, we'll talk about how to add a LinkedIn Learning resource to your course. This is a great resource to use. There's a lot of content available for our license, so this is a great thing to do. Here I am in a course. I'm going to turn editing on. I'm going to go under Add an Activity or Resource, and this is an external tool. I'm not going to put anything under activity name because once I select my content, it's going to delete that anyway, so waste of time to put anything here. I want to go down to Pre-Configured Tool, and we'll pull this list open and select LinkedIn Learning. And now I have to select specifically what resource inside of the LinkedIn Learning I want to use. So I'm going to say select content. This will load the LinkedIn Learning resources up. I'm going to search for what I'm going to use and search. And now when I scroll down, there's a lot of different content here. I'm just going to pick one of these. I'm going to hit add, and now we have to scroll down to the bottom and make sure we find this blue confirm button. So that's going to confirm its use. It's not enough just to hit the add. You have to hit that confirm button. So now notice it automatically added the activity name. I can change this to something that I want to say. I don't have to include anything that they put there. I can put whatever I want, but it will delete anything that's there when you add the content. Also want to go under Show More. And notice it's really nice. It puts the description of the course from LinkedIn Learning into the activity description automatically. So this is what LinkedIn Learning had to say about this course. If we scroll down a little bit, one of the problems with this is under Launch Container, it's going to embed this inside an AsULearn window. And AsULearn is already using up a lot of the real estate of that window, so stuff gets kind of squished down and becomes difficult to watch in that. I recommend a new window so that it'll just open up in a new window and we'll have more of that real estate. It works both ways. I just found it's a little easier to use in a new window rather than embedded in the AsULearn window. Additionally, under this, we have all those same kind of things that we have for most AsULearn pieces. We have groups, we have restrict access, we have activity completion options. All of those are still available. Want to talk a little bit about grade. By default, it's going to put 100 points into your grade book. This point value is only given for the fact that the student watches the entire course worth of videos, so they have to go through all of them, get to the end, watch every second of each one, and it will report that grade back. That's not really a great measure of whether the students are interacting with the material. It's just whether they played the video. So of course we can't see if they're actually sitting there watching the video or learning anything from it. So I recommend putting none here so that it doesn't clutter up your grade book. And if you want to measure whether the student actually is interacting and learning any of the material, then add an assessment to your course that measures what you feel is important in the LinkedIn Learning video. So go down here and save and return to course. And so now I have this external tool. I'm going to turn editing off. And so if I come here and click on this as a student, it will open a new window. It will launch the LinkedIn Learning. And here's all the material broken down into a really great index for this particular class. Additionally, if I go into my LinkedIn Learning account, not through AsULearn, but just logging in and go to My Learning, anything that I've watched through my link in AsULearn shows up here as a course that I'm integrating with. So once you add this resource to your course and a student interacts with it, when they go to their LinkedIn Learning page later on, they'll have access to that and to the courses that they've looked at using your links within your course. So great resource, easy to add to your course.